Hey, it's Phil from app.einblick. I'm super excited to announce that we just released a new redesign of our application, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the most important changes. First, we've made it much easier to add content to a canvas. We have a new toolbar in the top left of the application that lets you select from a list of different cell types that we support and place it anywhere on the canvas. If I add some data here, I can start coding. And now we've made it much easier to append or prepend to an existing cell by hovering either the top or bottom edge and using the buttons on this menu. We've also made it much easier to run cells in sequence. If you have a cell selected, you can navigate to the right panel, hit run flow, which will then run all of the cells in a flow top down. We've also made it much easier to add zones to a canvas. If you hit the zone tool, you can drag out a rectangle, give it some color to visually and spatially group related cells. All cells on the canvas are now also in the left panel. This provides an easy access to get to them. Let's say I want to navigate to a cell that's currently out of view. You can simply select it in the left panel and the viewport will automatically navigate to that location. We also now have a number of status indicators next to the name of the cell. The orange dot, for example, indicates that there's unsaved changes, and the clock here tells you that there's an attached schedule to that cell. We now also support full text search. If you hit Command F or hit this search icon right here, you can do full text search across all of the different cells on the canvas. Lastly, if you want to configure an operator, you can select it either from the list on the left-hand side or directly in the canvas. And the right panel will show you all of the different options and parameters for this particular cell. So for example, if I wanted to change the color configuration for this chart, you can simply click it, change the aggregation function, and it will update automatically.